Professor Ho here, and that Mandalorian Season 3 is in full swing. We are going to 3D print full-size Grogu. Hello, everybody.
The total print job took about 24 hours and less than 1 kilogram of filament, which is far less than I anticipated. The hands, feet, and the ears are printed with 0% infill, which caused the print to go much faster, and stability doesn't seem to be an issue. The ears and the torsos are glued on together by hot glue gun because there are gaps within the model, and I feel that I will need access to these areas for repairs and painting, such as in the eyes. M3 nuts and bolt is used for his wrist to give him mobility and movement. Creating an outfit for Grogu was quite a challenge for me. I didn't know what I was doing, so I decided to grab an old pair of slacks that I can't wear anymore and a bed sheet, and I made him a little robe.
Okay, guys, I said we're done. So his head swivels and moves, which is cool. His ears and his torso is, I use hot glue for bonding because I think later on I'm going to need access to his head to repair the eyes or paint the eyes later on. Inside of his eyes are actually super glued in, along with his little shoulders are super glued in. I know he can move his shoulders. These are M3 screws. And his little bow-legged moves as well. I'm not really a person who can make clothing, so this is the best I could do. I think these are bed sheets that my wife said I can have. These are from an old pair of slacks that don't really quite fit me anymore. So yeah, we successfully printed a full-size Grogu, and I'm so excited for the new season of Mandalorian. We'll see what this little guy does.
Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more in the future.